Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search in the TuneIn Radio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And here just type in any kind of music, podcast or a radio that you want to listen to. So I will just type in one of my favorite podcasts and then just click on that. And here you can see all the episodes that are available. And you can also add it to your favorites list to save it for later. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.